What is up? What is good? What's going on? What shave fans and knuckleheads? Canuck Sabre here, coming at you with a unboxing, an impromptu unboxing. Just got home from work, so that's why my hair is all funky because I was wearing a hat. Anyways, this is something I'm super excited about. I have it. It's on loan to me, and it's something I might buy after because I'm super excited to try it out. It is a razor. It is made in the United States of America. Try to cut it open without cutting myself. It is a modern gem style razor. So we all know what DE razors are, safety razors, straight edge razors, and there's injector razors where you get a little machine that injects razors like the supply razor. But this takes a gem blade. There's not a lot of modern ones out, but this one looks beautiful. It is the Blackland Sabre. So we're going to open it up. Comes nicely packaged here. Oh. I've never seen the box that this comes in, so this is new to me too. There's the logo. Really nice hard cardboard box. It's the lid. Comes with a card. Blackland. It's fully machined, designed in the USA. It's 303 stainless steel. Oh my, this thing is gorgeous. So here's the case. Really nice case. I love when they have this like, not memory foam, but like hard-ish foam that keeps the razor snug in them. Comes with a bunch of blades. So it comes with probably, I'm not sure how many. There's 3 here. There's a couple more on this side. Let's take those out. Oh no, that's a different plate. So it's actually, this one actually comes with there's 2 plates. There's a 1 and a 2 plate, or A and a B plate. One is 0.6 millimeters and one is 0.9 millimeters for like the blade gap. Both I think are, one's mild, one's like medium. At least it's not a super great aggressive razor from what I know, but I am stoked to try it. So let's take this bad boy out and have a look. This is a beautiful piece of machinery. It was in a cold mailbox. I thought there were scratches on it, but just like the condensation kind of on it. But look at this. Simplistic design, but the etching, like the grooves on the handle are really nice. They're not like, this is beautiful. So I'm going to take this apart and see which head this has on it. And this is I think this must be the original base plate. If you look, there's like little dots that go in the blade, and the peg inserts right through. And then let's see here. Did I do something wrong? There we go. Then it screws on. Bam. Nice and tight. This is a cool looking, this is sleek and classy right there. Look at that. It weighs 111 grams, 85 millimeter handle, so I think it's pretty standard handle length. But 110 grams is like right in my sweet spot. I love that weight, like right in that weight. This is just such a cool looking razor. Look at that. I think it goes for 185, and if you want the anodized razor holder, it's another 35. I think it's 220 with that. But this razor is, oh, I cannot wait to use this. So I'll throw a blade in and give this a go. This is nice. This is absolutely beautifully machined. I'm trying to see if there's any. Yeah, just beautiful. It's on loan to me from Blackland, so I cannot wait to give this a go. Let me know in the comments if you've tried gem blades, gem razors. I've tried the MMOC, which was super aggressive. Great shaver though, so I'm really keen to try this one. Let me know if you've tried them, if you want to try them, if you've tried any of the Blackland razors. I know they have other razors as well. The Blackbird is super popular, apparently a great shaver. But this, I am super stoked about. I'm going to include some pictures at the end of the video from the Blackland site of this, just so you have some better quality pictures of it. But just to give you another look, the profile of it, Really cool, sleek, beautiful finish on that. Absolutely stunning. Cannot wait to use it. Pop one of these bad boys in there. And these are the Gem PTFE blades. I don't know a lot about them. Gem PTFE blades, yes. So it comes with 3 of these. Cannot wait. And I think these blades last quite a few shaves if I'm not mistaken. Let me know how many shaves you get from a blade like this. I think it's about 10 shaves or more from these. At least 7. So just let me know. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think of this razor. Really excited to use it. Thanks a million for tuning in, everybody. Had fun making this video. Thanks again for the support. Have a great night. Stay smooth. Deuces.
1, 2, 3, 4.